AI will help radiologists. AI is now better than radiologists. AI will eventually replace radiologists. Despite all the literature to the contrary, some of the leading figures in AI, as well as some everyday faces on social media, have at one point asserted that rads may eventually be replaced. Programmers build AI that can first aid, learn from, but eventually replace rads. But what if we flip the narrative? Instead of program AI radiologist to aid, learn, replace, can this work in the opposite direction? Instead of AI just helping rads do what we already do, can AI help rads do more than what we were trained to do, like vibe code? Instead of program AI Rad, can one transition from Rad AI Vibe Coder, combining all the domain knowledge of the profession with the ability of an AI coding agent? Don't get me wrong, just as we need professional radiologists, I believe we need professional programmers, especially for large enterprise-level projects. But for small apps, tiny apps so small that rads don't see the value in paying a programmer to build them, but still too time-consuming for rads to code themselves. This is where AI comes in. But what web app would a rad actually want to build with AI? How would we do it? And where would we start? This is what I'd like to explore. Just how far can a rad run with this? How big of a web app can a rad build with AI? Just how far can a rad vibe code? So I'd like to start small with something simple. Easy to create, but helpful. What better way than to start with education? A web app of flashcards. Simple multiple choice questions. But what will the flashcards be about? What about studying a PDF? An interactive web app highlighting the salient points of PDF might be more engaging than just reading an entire block of text. But what PDF? How about the Philippine College of Radiology Guidelines for AI as in 2025? I'll start with NotebookLM. I'll upload the PDF and then ask NotebookLM to make at least 10 to 20 multiple choice questions. I'll filter out the vague questions. I'll copy the questions and paste them into Google Gemini. I'll click on the Canvas button and ask Gemini to turn my questions into a web app based on flashcards driven by an AI-generated story about an AI-generated Pinoy radiologist from Quezon City. And it's done. Try it out for yourselves. Build your own apps. You could pick PDFs about neuroradiology, MSK, or even cardiac CT or MRI. Share what you build in the comments. Remember, it's not about how AI will replace us. It's about how AI can help us move forward.